Want to level up your CSS game? In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful CSS tricks every pro uses, from smart layouts to smooth effects, all in just a few lines of code. Let's get started. 1. Aspect ratio. To make a responsive box with a 16:9 shape, just write box aspect ratio 16/9. This keeps the box in perfect proportion. No media queries or padding hacks needed. 2. Flexbox gap. Instead of using margin between items, just write container, display, flex, gap, 20 pixels. It's cleaner and works directly inside Flex layouts. 3. Responsive text with clamp. Want text that scales with screen size? Use clamp. Text, font size, clamp, 1 rem, 2 VW, 1.5 rem. This ensures your text stays within limits and looks great on all devices. 4. Custom list bullets with dot marker. Tired of boring list bullets? Use marker like this. Lie, marker, color, red, font size, 1.2 em. To fully style bullet points, even change their size and color. 5. Frosted glass with backdrop filter. Create a frosted glass effect with just one line. Get modal, backdrop filter, and blur 10px. It gives a smooth, glassy blur like iOS backgrounds. 6. Scroll snapping. Want TikTok-style snapping? Use scroll snap type, Y mandatory, on the container, and scroll snap a line. Start on each item. This creates smooth, controlled scroll sections. 7. Text wrapping around a circle. Want your text to wrap around a circular image or shape? Use shape outside, circle, 50% with float left, and pair it with clip path to visually match the shape. In this example, the blue circle floats left and the paragraph wraps around it beautifully, just like magazine layouts. 8. Parent styling with focus within. Here's a smart way to style a container when an input inside it is focused. Using form container focus within, we change the border color and add a glow when the input gets focus. Perfect for form highlighting without JavaScript. 9. Custom scroll bars. Modernize your scroll bars using ZapKit scroll bar and WebKit scroll bar thumb. In this example, we set a slim 10px scroll bar with a rounded blue thumb, giving your UI a clean, custom look. 10. Line clamp for text truncation. Finally, to limit text to 3 lines and show ellipsis, write text display. WebKit box. WebKit line clamp. 3. WebKit box orient. Vertical. Overflow. Hidden. No JavaScript needed. That was 10 powerful CSS tricks you can start using today. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web dev tips.